All right, guys, we've got the MEIJIEM wireless cordless dog clippers. This thing's really cool. It's easy to use. It's got one button on it. That's how you turn it on. One button turns it off. You've got a charger on the bottom. It comes with the cord. All you do is just plug that in, plug the other end into your computer or a USB adapter, and it's charged up. We've got enough of a charge today to show you how it works, but you have a lot of different attachments. You've got you got the small trimmer if you need to get just some tiny areas with hair, and you even have a couple of attachments for that small trimmer. So you've got small attachments there. I like that you have the nail trimmer attachment, so you can attach that and then just kind of clip up and trim up their nails a little bit. You have a medium-sized attachment, and then you have the main attachment. That's what this is going to be. And this is going to work for the 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm. So you have all those pieces and you have a brush to keep it clean. So the one touch, it's going to make it super easy to use on your best friend. If you want to just trim them up at home, this is how easy it is to attach it. I've got the 12mm attached there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pup and then I'm going to show you trimming his nails. All right, guys, so we've got my best friend up here. We've got the trimmers. So here's how easy it is to take off that head, and we're just going to replace it with the nail clip, the nail polisher. And that's all there is to it, guys. See, you can do all this stuff from home, and it's easy to just switch it back to the blade. This is how easy it is to use. He's being a very good boy, so he's going to get a treat whenever he's a good boy. This is Peyton. This is the dog trimmer. It's got a sleek design. It's cordless. It's got a bunch of different attachments. At the end of the day, I think I've showed you the value.